Hi everyone, so in this video I will show you a quick step on how to add your maiden name on Facebook. The first step is to launch the Facebook app on your device. Then you go to your profile. To do this, you tap on your profile picture or your name on the section what is on your mind. You tap on it. The second step is to tap on the edit profile button, which is usually located under your profile picture and cover photo. You tap the edit profile. Then you scroll down and find the section labeled edit your about info. You tap on it and proceed. The third step is to find the section labeled add other names. After clicking on it, you add different names option, including your maiden name. Then you select the maiden name type field from the list of available options. You can see on the nickname on the screen. You click on the button, you select your maiden name option, maiden name. Then you type in your maiden name provided in the field below. After adding the maiden name, you make sure to save the changes by tapping the Save or Done button. After adding your maiden name, you might want to check who can see this information. So the next thing to do is to adjust the privacy settings if necessary to ensure it is visible only to those you want. So this easy process will add your maiden name to your profile picture, making it easy for people who know you by that name to find you on Facebook.